So today and until today is Tuesday, until Thursday, we are going to talk about project-based learning. For today and tomorrow, we will focus on project-based learning, what it is, and then on the third day, we are going to discuss on our plan for the workshop in the countries that we are going to visit. So this is project-based learning, but I will start my presentation with a question. I hope this question is clear enough for you. Let's imagine, if kids from the beginning could be learning through developing their interests. So if kids from the beginning could be learning from developing their interests through things that they are in love with and they care about. So three things, yeah? They learn from what they are interested in, they love, and they care about. What will happen to those kids at school? Can you predict? Kira-kira, if they learn something that they like, they love, they care about, what will happen to those kids at schools? They will be brilliant. That's a brilliant answer, ma'am. They will be brilliant. What else? Any other? They will be enthusiastic. That's right. What else?
They will be genius.
You will get the best result. That's good. They will be more active. Sure. Any others? Ini masih agak timpang sebelah sana 3.
She said that they will be like her.
Her means the teacher. Maybe they will like the teacher more. Yeah, if you give something that they love, they like, they're interested in, they will be creative. They will get their best result. They will be brilliant. They will be passionate. You know, passionate. They will be full of energy, full of enthusiasm, motivation. All of you, most of you are teachers, right? Calon experts, yes, most of you. Nggak jadi tadi all of you. Most of you are teachers. What happened to your students at class? Do they show their interest, enthusiasm, motivation? Are they brilliant? Oh, you are not a teacher. Teachers, are your students show their motivation in the classroom? Are your students do your students show their interest in the classroom? Yes, no, yes, no? Sometimes sih banyak yang mana nih? Do they show their passion toward the subject that you teach? Yes, of course. Akhirnya ada juga yang keluar dengan motivasi yang tinggi. Yes, of course. So when we give them something that they like, they love, they are interested in, and we are going to have, hopefully, it will be resulted in something that show their motivation, their passion. Creativity will come, yeah, later. Thank you for the contribution. Okay, so this is our workshop menu. Even though this is fasting month, tapi saya kasih menu piringnya kosong, masih kosong. What we are going to talk about during these 2 days, we will talk about project-based learning. Starting from, what is it? What is project-based learning? Don't worry, you don't need to write. If you want my slide, I will send it to you. Or you can download it in Edmodo later. Nanti kalau tulis malah hilang. What is project-based learning? And then, why use project-based learning? Ada yang sudah pernah pakai project-based learning tidak? Di sekolahnya? Sudah? Can you share a little bit? Nah, sudah ada 2.
Okay, thank you very much. I try and project-based learning because I'm teaching in science. And in the first, I try to project-based learning to improve my students to all of the activity in my classroom with thinking in science. In the first, like observation and accommodation, like to hypothesis, experiment, and so on. I think like that.
So you're teaching science.
Yes.
And what is one? Can you mention one of the projects that you did with your students in the class?
Yes. Many texts I give in all my students. In example, I try to how to know about the photosynthesis and such in oxygen and running.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much for sharing. Ibu siapa, Bu?
Ibu Indah.
Ibu Indah. Where are you from? From Klaten. Thank you, Ibu Indah. There is another Bapak at the back. Would you like to share your experience, Pak? Can you mention your name and your school first?
Well, my name is Pak Rozi. I'm from Jakarta, SMA Negeri 1 Lahan Jakarta. And then I'm an English teacher. I have an experience in teaching using project-based learning. I asked my students to find out some small business around their area, and then I asked them to interview the business owner. And then after that, students must find out the problems that the businessmen have. And then one of the problem is about the marketing. Then I asked my students to solve their problem by making a brochure that will help the promotion of the small business owner. Then also after that, I asked my students to upload their brochure or maybe their promotion on web, because if the student only submit their brochure to me, the one who reads the brochure is only me. But if they upload the brochure on the website, there will be more than 100 or 1,000 readers.
More people will read the brochure.
Okay,
So it's a very good example of project. First, you ask your students to go do the observation, look around, so connect with the real world. And then you also ask your students to have a product. One of the key things in project-based learning is product. There should be a product at the end of the project. And then there should be an audience who will watch, who will see, who will read the product. If it is only the teachers, as you said that, well, if it is only the teacher who read the product, it will be so useless. But if there are more people, wider community who can watch the product, and it will be better. Thank you very much for sharing. Why use PBL? We are going to discuss this later, and then how we use PBL, and then how to maximize e-collaboration in PBL by using Edmodo. We are going to combine between project-based learning and Edmodo. I believe that everybody are familiar with Edmodo. Ada yang belum kenalan sama Edmodo? Sudah kenalan semua? Alhamdulillah kalau sudah kenalan semua. Jadi mengurangi beban untuk mengenalkan Edmodo. Let's go on. Any questions so far? No questions? Everything's okay? So far so good? So far so good. Am I speak too slow? Just right. Okay. Tadi kan piringnya masih kosong ya. Now it's time for us to get the appetizer. The appetizer, here you are going to watch a video about a short video, an overview about project-based learning, and you will find probably in this video you will find what is project-based learning according to the people on the video. And then why do many teachers are encouraged to use PBL in the classroom? And then how do students usually demonstrate the result of the learning process? But before we watch the video, I want you to turn your face to your friend next to you. If there are two of you, you work in pair. If there are three of you, you work in two or three, face to face. Think about, predict the answer to my questions. I give you 3 minutes to talk to your friend and predict the answer to my questions. Later, you are going to watch the video. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Talk with your friends next to you. Yang nggak punya teman boleh loncat. You can go to the back or talk to your friends.
Talk to your hands.
Yeah, face to face.
Face to face, up to my lips to lips.
These are the questions. Hello, hello. These are the questions. Yeah, I have 3 questions and I want you to predict the answer. Kira-kira jawabannya apa ya dari pertanyaan ini? Tebak-tebak aja.
What is prejudice? It's a learning process based on prejudice. So hard this. Why do teachers also many teachers
dia kan waktu di Indonesia udah pacaran gitu. Sebab di Indonesia sekolah ada yang ngajar di Cirebon gitu loh. Kalau misalnya SMA saya dulu mau pelatihan segala macam boleh nggak? Tentu boleh gitu. Hubungi saya ataupun kosannya gitu. Ternyata
semuanya, all of you.
dia minta apa namanya tiket kita tanggal dia.
Okay, keep your answer in your mind. And then now I'm going to watch the video and I'm going to play the video. You're going to watch the video and check if you get the same answer. Or if you have different answer, that would be okay.